Cat got your tongue? How about this title? A foreclosure company forecloses on a home. The only problem? It's not the right home. Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski. Come on in. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and today I want to share with you two articles that appear in today's New York Post, June 26, 2011. And, I love reading the Post only because some of the articles are so outrageous that I want to share them with you. So the first one involves a Kansas City man who's being accused of sexually attacking a woman with whom he's doing drugs with. He happens to stick his tongue into her mouth, I guess during a vigorous kiss, and the woman just didn't appreciate it. So what did she do? She bit his tongue off. How do you like that? All right, the next article is a bit more interesting. It involves an 82-year-old retiree. His name is Benito Santiago. He had returned from a trip to find all of his possessions removed, even the photos of his late wife. Everything was padlocked. He couldn't get in. So what's the problem? Turns out a foreclosure company had foreclosed on his home. The big problem? His house wasn't in foreclosure. So now he's bringing a lawsuit against the company for wrongful foreclosure and all the problems that are associated with that and the hassle and aggravation. Now, let's say that happened here in New York, because remember, I'm a New York attorney and I can only tell you what goes on in New York. So let's say that a bank and their foreclosure company foreclosed on your home wrongfully when they never should have done it. What rights do you have as a homeowner to go after them and sue them for damages? Well, a number of things. First, you have to look and see what exact damages you had. What was the aggravation that you encountered besides the humiliation? What actual costs did you incur in order to have to get this removed? What time and effort and energy did you have to go through? And clearly, when something like this makes the paper, it's a true embarrassment for the company. And that can be used to your benefit to show these people, hey, you guys didn't do what you were supposed to, and you negligently and carelessly went ahead and foreclosed on a home that you never should have done. Well, that's it for two interesting stories that appeared in today's New York Post. I'm Gerald Oginski, and by the way, if you have legal questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I welcome your call. Thanks for watching.